Hi, this is Will Johnson, your home inspector with Inspection Perfection. We wanted to invite you to the next upcoming SDAR Expo at the Convention Center on Friday, May 10th. They're going to have breakout sessions, a lot of vendors to network. So this is a great opportunity to learn, network, and grow your business. We want you to visit us and talk about our renovation loans, how it fulfills a multitude of real estate needs. We've also developed very successfully the 3 steps for success. So that includes training, marketing kit with custom collateral and consultation, and then action supporting you every step of the way. Our next webinar is coming up on Thursday, May 16th, so be sure to register. We're also going to be giving away some great gifts. We feature a $150 gift certificate for the Cone family group of restaurants. So this is really some fine dining for 2 people in some of the best restaurants in the San Diego area. We also have participating in SDAR's raffle. So be sure to bring your bingo card off so we can stamp it off so you can participate in their giveaways. So we hope to see you at the SDAR Expo at the Convention Center on Friday, May 10th.